Hey everyone, if you are using a Ryobi garage door opener and you want to understand how you can set it up and use it properly, then this video will give you a simple manual guide for 2026. So first of all, you need to start by setting up the opener correctly. For that, you just have to plug the garage door opener and make sure that the power outlet is working. The unit should light up and be ready for the setup. You can check that the door is properly balanced and can move manually before using the motor. Now you will need to connect your remote to the opener. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the opener unit until the light turns on. Then press any of the buttons on your remote. Wait for the light to blink or turn off. When it does, it simply means that the remote is successfully paired. Now you need to set the door travel limit. It is going to control how far the door opens and closes. So in order to do it, you just have to press and hold the up button on the opener in order to move the door to the desired open position. After that, you just have to simply press the set or the program button in order to save it. Repeat the same for the closed position using the down button, and this ensures smooth and safe operation. Now, some of the Ryobi openers support smart control. So you can download the Ryobi garage door application and then you can create your account in it. Afterwards, you can select your device and follow further instructions in order to set it up. Now, safety sensors are also critical for the operation. So you can check the sensors near the bottom of the door. Both the light should be on and aligned. So you can place an object under the door and you can try closing it. If the door doesn't reverse, adjust the sensors before using the opener regularly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.